head top, don't you stop. I wanna see you rock, I've got that drop, still on lock. They gonna have to watch, I've lost my head top, don't you stop. I wanna see you rock, I've got that drop, still on lock. They gonna have to watch, I've lost my head top, don't you stop.
Okay, so when you first walk into my room and close the door, this is my door here. I have my coat and my uni backpack just over there. I usually just hang that up on the back of my door so that when I'm ready to go, I just pull it off and go. And then I also have 3 hooks here as well, where I also hang my coats and my jumpers and stuff. So then basically, here's like an overview of the room when you come in. A lot of uni rooms are square rather than this shape, so this one's quite nice. So when you first enter, on the left, you have this 3-unit shelf. On the bottom one here, I have my shoes. So on the second shelf, I keep all my cutlery. This top shelf is where like all my makeup and stuff is kept because it's easily accessible. So then we have this huge shelf here that goes all the way up to the top. This is kind of like shirts, jumpers, and I have my suitcase as well. Then this side as well, I have like dresses, tops. I have my clothes folded up in there, and then like all my shelving there. Ignore the state of it, but. And then up in this top shelf, I keep my towels in here. And then if I can unlock it, there we go. And then I've also got my toaster machine, which is actually essential. If you're a catered uni student, invest in one of these. And then we come over to this storage down here. So I also have 4 drawers. This top drawer is basically loads of like miscellaneous stuff. It's like my trash drawer. I have paper in here, I have random photos in here as well that I haven't stuck up. It's all going up in here. This second drawer basically has clothes in it, so like my t-shirts and leggings and stuff, and my gym clothes I keep in this drawer. Next drawer is clothes again. This has got trousers and skirts and gym leggings in here as well. And this last drawer is where I keep all my bed sheets. Next we have my table area, which is quite long. It basically stretches from this side all the way there. I have my handbag here that I use. I've got sunglasses as well, some makeup brushes. I still have all my birthday cards up because I'm that girl. My birthday was in January and we're almost going into April, but it doesn't matter. And then I also have like a photo frame with my friends in it, my Bible, and then I also have books, like folders and stuff like that. And then I kind of have this little photo wall. It's like a mini photo wall, I'd say, going on this side of my room. So I've got like, that was my mum's 50th birthday with my brother and Michael, my cousins, well, some of them, and then we've got holidays as well, Barcelona, prom, NCS and stuff like that. So we've got that kind of stuff. This is my big window. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the blinds are trash, like absolute trash. They let in so much light when you're trying to sleep. That is the one thing I would say about these curtains. They are so bad. They're like office blinds. I have my Apple Mac, which I use for editing my videos, and I use it also as like a TV as well, watch Netflix on it and stuff like that. And then I have my little copper mirror here as well, just so I can pre myself, pre the aesthetics going on. No, I'm joking. Yeah, it's just there. And then I have my little post-it notes of like things to remember, quotes, that kind of stuff. Just something that literally just ended up building up of reminders. I have a little printer as well. I mean, a printer is not a necessity, but I do have one. And then I have a travel size kettle because it has to be within the wattage amount. It bangs. And then I have these 2 boxes which have my lingerie in it, so my knickers and my bras and my sports bras and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm not going to open that up for you. And so yeah, that is kind of an overview. It's basically where I keep my food. So I have my fridge here with all of my goods in here. I have rice, I have ham and cheese, I have hot dogs, I've got juice, I've got sauce. So I'm good. I don't really like catered food, so I have a lot of food in my room. And then I also have like things like coffee as well, and tea, and like Ribena and stuff. So that's where I keep like my food stock kind of thing. I could have also put it under my bed, so that's quite good as well. It's got loads of storage space, which is really good. So then this is my bed. This is what it looks like a wooden headboard, which really does nothing for your life because there's a gap in between the bed and the headboard. So yeah, enjoy that part. But yeah, I have kind of this like creamy beige colour going on. That blanket on my bed, the one on top, actually isn't mine, it's my friend's actual blanket looks like. So it's kind of like this beige kind of colour theme going on. Got my school teddy on there. Cute little rug as well. So this is what my bathroom looks like. It's quite small, like literally it's pretty small. Like most of my friends have bigger bathrooms than this. But yeah, this is a single ensuite. So this is what my shower looks like. As in, I'm not gonna lie to you with this shower, guys. When you're showering in here, your elbows will hit the walls, but we make do with what we got. Be grateful for what we have. And then my little sink. The sink is tiny, guys. So small, but you know. And then I just got some of my essentials lined up. My Vaseline, my glasses, my face wash, which I use every day, and then just my moisturizers, hair cream, toothbrush, and mouthwash. Probably wondering where I have toothbrushes. No, I ain't got a secret man staying here. This little rack, which I got myself, which is basically like, just has all my essentials in it. I have on the top like my makeup wipes, deodorant, a face mask, and then on this shelf it's got my face towel that I'm using at the moment. Obviously I change it out every time I use it, and it's got like my skincare products and stuff like that. And then on this shelf I just have like products that I use less often, also my dish towel for cleaning like my dishes and stuff like that, and then just extra supplies like extra soap. So yeah, as you can tell, the bathroom theme is yellow, not by choice, but really truly I've kind of got more so like pinkies going on, pink loofah, you know the drill.